Hey y'all, wanted to come and do this quick review with y'all of U.S. chicken. Look at that. Looks pretty good, huh? I got the 6-piece special and some taters. Not asked for rolls, but they didn't give me any. I love bread with mine, but hey, didn't need it. Anyway, let's go ahead and give this chicken a try, y'all. I haven't had it in a while. I used to get it from my mom and her friends when she was in the nursing facility. But I haven't had it in about 4 years. But let's take the first bite. And I seen Mr. Chime Time do a review on. Let me try leaves first. Look at that. It looks crispy, real crispy. Let's see what it's eating for. Real crunchy. It has a nice flavor. Yes, it's still good. I got the 6-piece special, which was the best deal. It was $12 or $13.99. And I got all these taters. Don't mind my shirt is lit, yeah. But y'all, look crispy. Now these taters, okay. Think they've been sitting or something. But they just open. Did they warm up me some taters from yesterday? They taters still not better than Mr. Charles chicken. I get the chicken 9 out of 10. These taters 4 out of 10. All right, this is all. So go try it if you like U.S. fried chicken. But if you want some good taters, head over to Mr. Charles Chicken and Fish. Goodbye.